Hey everyone, welcome back. I am so excited to be doing this video because I'm finally sitting down to do an in-depth review of the Bryan and Candy products. These are shower and body products that I've been using for over 2 months now. I have been talking about it a lot on my Instagram and I'm finally doing a sit-down review. I feel like this is one of my old-timey videos where I used to sit down and talk about each one of the products, and I'm so excited to do that. Okay, before we go ahead with the products, I want to talk a little bit about my skin type. So on my face, I have a very oily skin, but on my body, I have very dry skin. So a Coco Shea range really works for my body type. Let's start with the first product. This is the Bryan and Candy Coco and Shea Bath and Shower Gel. This is priced at rupees 350, and I like to take a little bit of this onto a loofah. So they have this really cute and unique loofah as well, where I like to just take this, froth it up and use it to cleanse all over my body. It lathers up really well and also leaves your body feeling very clean and soft, and does not let your body feel like really dry, but also does not leave any residue. The shower gel and the rest of the range smells delicious, and they're not overtly sweet that gives you a headache kind of fragrance. It's got this beautiful mild chocolatey fragrance that just smells delicious, especially when you're running a hot shower. The next product is actually one of my favorites. This is the Coco Shea Chocolate Body Polish, and this one literally just looks like a chocolate pudding. It's super thick, it's super rich, and this is priced at rupees 600. So I think for such a big tub, you get a lot of product, and I think it's really worth the money as well, because the product is this rich creamy exfoliant. Okay, so if you have really dry dehydrated skin, or if you shave and wax very regularly, this really helps in getting rid of any ingrowth that you might have due to waxing or shaving, and also just making sure to exfoliate all of the dead skins out. You just add a little bit of water to it and it becomes this creamy concoction. Again, this I'm warning you, please don't eat this. It's not edible. It is made with a lot of edible products though. You've got olive oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, beeswax, and I'm going to list all the other ingredients that I can't remember right now on the screen. But yeah, so I love this product so much that I have actually finished up the trial size of it. I love this, and I would highly recommend that you try this. And the second product that I really really love from the range is their Coco Shea Sugar Body Scrub. Now this is again an exfoliant that you can use all over your body, and this one is made with actual sugar. It's this very thick paste, and you basically take a little bit of it and apply it onto your wet body. It foams up just a little bit, and then keep massaging it until the sugar granules completely melt. And sugar is a natural exfoliant, and it also helps in keeping your skin extremely moist. I love how luxurious these products feel despite the price point. Now this one is priced at rupees 375. Next we have the body butter, which is amazing. I love using this. This is thick. This is really thick, and again this is made with olive oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, beeswax, and all the good stuff, and they're paraben free, cruelty free as well. Smells delicious. My mouth's watering because I opened this, and I like to use this on my legs and my arms because they are extremely dry during the winter months. While I was traveling, this was great, and as you can tell, there's a nice dent in it. I've used it quite a bit. This is for those of you who prefer a thicker body butter, but I like applying this in the evening after I'm done with my shower, and then I just go to bed, and in the morning everything is like just soaked into my skin, and I wake up with like really soft skin on my body. And I've been working out quite a bit, so I'm trying to avoid any sort of stretch marks on my body, and cocoa and shea butter really helps in making sure that your body does not get as much stretch marks and it's nourished and moisturized. So for me, this formula really works. But if you think this is too thick, they also have this hand and body lotion. So this is their cocoa and shea moisturizing hand and body lotion, and this is slightly less thicker than the body butter. As the name suggests, this is a lotion, yet this is very, very moisturizing. I keep this actually in my nightstand right here. I keep it in this drawer, and every night or whenever I feel like my hands are not nourished enough, I like to use it as a hand cream, because I'm already using this as a body cream. I like to just focus on my cuticles because this is very rich, so I like to focus using this on my cuticles, and I've removed all my fake nails, so I'm letting my nails, like real nails, like really heal. So applying moisturizer onto my hands every night is really helpful, and it makes sure that I don't get those painful like skin that peels off around your nails. So this really helps in preventing that. Otherwise, the packaging is really nice too. You get like very sturdy packaging for the price that you pay, and the product honestly is so luxurious, and I would compare it to products that you get for much higher price tag, because honestly they just like work so well. I'm surprised that they're priced so low. And yeah, that's about it. They are available on Amazon and on Nykaa. I'm gonna find all of the links and link them down below for you guys to try. I really would recommend that you try the exfoliants, like if not the entire range. Try the body polish or the sugar scrub, whichever you prefer, and let me know what you think about it. And that's it for this video. I had so much fun. I felt like I haven't done this like sit down rambly chatty video in a while, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you have any recommendations for any other video that you'd like to see, please leave them down below as well. I love talking to you guys. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also hit on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I have a new video up. And that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.